Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we are going to tackle another drawer in the Alex drawer system that I have here. I have 4 units and we've been working the last few weeks on trying to get this sorted out. This is my large tool or miscellaneous tool drawer. It has things like the Quill, my memory, Creative Memories cutter system. You can see a glue gun, some glue, glue sticks, and it's pretty full, and it sometimes has a hard time opening and closing. So I do want to come up with a better system for that. And shocker of all shockers, we are going to start tackling mixed media. I know, the day is coming. Let me go and show you where my mixed media tools are temporarily situated. Okay, so over here I have what I consider my mixed media tools. I've got different texture tools, my gel press, spatulas, brayers, all that kind of stuff. That needs to be addressed today. Now let me show you where I think I'm going to move stuff to. This is the top left-hand bank of drawers, and this contains currently my mixed media and some molds, some resin, you know, just all sorts of odds and ends. So I would like to keep my medias in here, remove this elsewhere, and maybe use some of this for my mixed media tools. Down here, so this is the next drawer below it, I want to see how many of my tools I can fit in here. Right now it is in a shallow drawer, and I think everything will fit, but I will have a few extra things left over that maybe I'll move elsewhere. I'm not sure, but I do still have my foil quill system in its box, so you know, you get going and maybe it'll get it to work out. So that's what I would like to start with. I have a sneaking suspicion I will need another drawer, but it will have to go down below, and I will put my lesser used items down there, I think. We'll see how it goes. Let me play around and I'll come back and show you the end results. Okay, so these drawers are empty. That still has my budget stuff, and then these are empty. So that's good. We'll come up here. These are my mediums. I've got my resin back here that I have to play with. At some point it's probably gone bad. My little air pump, I don't know what it's called. These are all spatulas. These are all texture tools. So things that I can use with the gel press. These are brayers, including some texture tools, and then these are all brushes, mostly stenciling brushes and some, what do they call them, tortillons or something like that? Tortillons? I don't know. Anyways, that's what's in there. This is my tool drawer. I put all my glue sticks in the one container. Here's my quill with all the accessories and instructions, my binding kit, glue gun. I have a small glue gun that I've tucked back there. I don't use it very often. And then my cutting system. I used to have the binder to store these, but to be honest, it just didn't work for me. And while this is kind of somewhat sloppy, this does work. So when I get to micromanaging some of this stuff, I may build a container to hold this. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And then the last drawer that I used is down here in the bottom unit. My gel press. I've got some paint pouring stuff, some molds here, and I've got enough room for another paint pouring kit I have somewhere in this space. I need to find it. I just don't know where it is. That is it for today's session, I think. I do have some stuff on my desk, like these items that were in those drawers. These are all like extra packaging for like a packaging technique. And I save like the hard plastic shells sometimes to use as paint palettes. So I have plenty here. I've been recycling them when I need to. Basically, I'm not adding to this. This is enough. When they're used up, then I'll start saving again. But I think this is going to go in a drawer with some of this other stuff, with just basic crafting supply tools. I'm not sure what you would call it. Okay, so that is it for today. I challenge you to sort through a drawer or a box in your space. And until next time, happy organizing.